Every day is a battle, and your life feels so cold. You're numb inside, and you're mine. Feel hard to breathe sometimes. Have no time to cry. I got you. I know you're tired. I know you try so hard.
Sundays have always been more than just a day of rest for me. They've become a sacred ritual, a day dedicated to renewal and self-care.
I give you warm, I give you safe and sound, oh yeah. I know you have your blue days, try to get out your head, try to understand.
As the world slows down, I find peace in the quiet moments, the ones that allow me to reflect on the week that has passed and prepare for the one ahead. It's in these moments that I reconnect with myself, my space, and my intentions.
Work again. But don't you worry, 'cause I got you, babe. I'm always here to stay. I got you. I know you're tired. I know you try so hard. I got you. I give you warm, I give you safe and sound, oh yeah.
There's something almost meditative about the act of cleaning. Each task, whether it's dusting off shelves, sweeping the floor, or organizing a cluttered corner, feels like a small step towards clarity. I start with the surfaces, sweeping away the remnants of the week, the coffee rings on the table, the fingerprints on the glass. These little signs of life remind me of the moments I've had, the things I did last week, the things I went through, whether good or bad. As I clean, it's like I'm giving those moments closure, making space for what's to come. As I move from room to room, I think about how cleaning is more than just a chore. It's a way of taking care of myself. It's in the little details, like fluffing up the cushions or rearranging a plant, where I find joy. It's the satisfaction of seeing the bed made up neatly, knowing that tonight I'll sleep into fresh sheets, feeling rested and ready. These acts of care for my home translate into acts of care for myself. Laundry might seem like a mundane task, but as I fold each piece, I find a rhythm. With each fold, I'm reminded that order can be created from chaos, that we have the ability to bring things into balance. The scent of clean clothes, the warmth of freshly dried towels, these are the simple pleasures that make me appreciate the little things in life.
Been through the footage about 1,000 times. My heart sits tight in my chest. Don't mind the wreck, it's just a work of art, so I gladly take all the pain. something I could do. Losing track of time, I can sleep at night. Cause even then you're running through my mind. Why am I short of breath? It's really nothing I want more. I wanna be here if you're there. All that I'm asking for. I'm burning for you. Turning ashes, leaving my body. Yeah. Burning for you is overwhelming, over-consuming. Yeah. Going back and forth with the same questions. Have you known dark places too? Have you? You just wanna love, not the obsession. But I'm always lost when I do. Just about everything comes out tasteless unless it's you who's on the other end. I get jealous when someone gets to see you for only 1 minute more than me. Why am I short of breath? It's really nothing I want more. Can hear you always calling my name. All that I'm asking.
Cleaning is also about letting go. As I sort through items, deciding what stays and what goes, I'm reminded that life too requires us to make room. We have to let go of what no longer serves us, whether it's physical clutter or mental baggage, so we can invite in what truly matters. It's about clearing the path for new experiences, new growth, and new possibilities. The process isn't always quick, and sometimes it feels like there's so much to do. But I've learned to embrace it, knowing that each task I complete brings a sense of accomplishment.
I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Fast, slow, how can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this dark, broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now. Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
The journey through my home is a journey inward, where I reconnect with my intentions and find grounding in my surroundings. By the time I'm done, the air feels fresher, the space brighter. There's a sense of calm that settles over the house, like a deep breath after a long day. As I look around, I'm reminded that taking care of my space is a way of taking care of myself. It's in these moments of quiet, as I stand in my clean, refreshed home, that I feel most centered, most ready for whatever the week ahead may bring. So here is to Sundays, days of renewal, of care, of setting intentions. Here is to the simple act of cleaning, which is so much more than it seems. It's a way of nurturing ourselves, of creating a space that reflects the peace and clarity we seek. And as I step into this new week, I do so with a clear mind, an open heart, and a home that feels like a sanctuary. Happy week ahead.
Every day is a battle, and your life feels so cold.